Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. Let's dive deeper into the SQL with the subquery. So, the main question is, what is a subquery in SQL? So for that, a subquery is a query nested inside another query. It returns data to be used in the main query. For example, select name from students where marks greater than. Now here the part is called the subquery. Second part is what? Select AVG means average marks from the students. So first of all, it will get the average marks from the student table, and that output will be give input to the first query. So the select name from students where marks greater than value is output get from the second query. So also called inner queries can be used in select, where or from clauses. So query inside a query. I think you get your answer. So please subscribe and like Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.